Alrighty. So now we have a list of names. And that's great, but it brings in some new concerns. First of all, how do we add an item to our list? How do we access items from our list? And how do we know how big our list is? Those three questions, once answered, will pretty much give you the roadmap to using lists in pretty much anything that you would want to use them in. And although lists have a lot of functionality that I'm not going to be talking about today, those are the three big things. So let's write our names code again. I'm going to say, let's do string or boolean quit, or is running, or how about is entering names equals true. While is entering names is true, I want to say console.write enter a name, or hit enter to stop. And then I'm going to say string input equals console read line. I'm going to say if input equals blank, that means they just hit enter. I'm going to say is entering names and set it to false. Actually, I'm going to invert this statement. There we go.